Scalability, the secret sauce behind SaaS platform success. It keeps your services lightning fast even during the traffic surge of Black Friday sales. But how do you design for scale? Hi, this is Munjal from Satat Tech LLP, having experience of building multiple scalable SaaS platforms. To design for scale, we'll go over 8 strategies that will have a positive impact on scaling SaaS platform in next 5 minutes. Let's dive into the strategies that matters. Scalability refers to the system's ability to handle increased amount of workload or capability to accommodate the growth seamlessly. Essentially, no manual actions are needed to handle an increased amount of user base. It will be taken care of automatically. Strategy 1: vertical versus horizontal scaling. Vertical scaling refers to making the machine more powerful. That is, adding more CPUs, more memory. It's easy at first, but will hit the wall soon. Horizontal scaling, it's adding server to handle growing needs and demand. It's harder to design, but gives you practically unlimited scalability. Horizontal scalability wins every time. Strategy 2: state management. Stateful versus stateless. Stateful means server remembers conversational state that will fill up server memory quickly. Shift that to the client and let the server manage application state and execution. Less is more. Stateless servers scale better. Strategy 3: monolithic versus microservices versus serverless. Monolithic applications are large singular code base. Breaking your application into the microservices or going serverless makes the scaling seamless. Less is more scalable. Go serverless and stateless. Strategy 4: resource allocation. Static versus dynamic. Static allocation wastes resources. Dynamic allocation, also known as on-demand allocation, saves the cost and ensures efficiency. Do the things at last responsible moment to ensure optimal performance and scalability. Strategy 5: execution model. Synchronous versus asynchronous. Synchronous processing makes user wait. Do it only for quick tasks. For longer processing, go for asynchronous. That is, switch to the background processing. Don't make user wait. Background processing makes them happy. Strategy 6: storage and database technologies. Choose the data storage technology based on how the data will be used or consumed. For example, relational or document database for OLTP, that is online transaction processing. Geospatial database for geographic mapping. Graph database for discovering social links. The way data is consumed drives the right storage technology. Strategy 7: proximity, edge processing. Process the data near its source of data for better performance. For example, processing of data happening into the smart IoT devices instead of on the server. Near is better than far. Strategy 8: isolate, partition the system. Isolate the system from external dependencies, that is, services consumed using the circuit breaker and other techniques to prevent propagation of problems like degradation in service to crossover and negatively impact SaaS platform. To put above in context, let's look at the Shopify, the #1 e-commerce platform for building e-commerce outlet for businesses as an example. Shopify scales tens or hundreds of times during big sales. It maintains consistent performance, handles spikes with dynamic scaling, and ensures global compliance. Scalability isn't optional, it's what makes SaaS thrive. With scalability, SaaS platform would see increased customer retention, cost-effective growth, and ability to invest in innovation. Scalability transformed the SaaS into the growth engine. Did you know that 92% of the SaaS companies who scale effectively sees the double the revenue growth compared to their competitors? Today, we explored what Scalable offering is and went through strategies to scale. If you have any questions, drop them into the comments. This is Munjal Kansara signing off. Build your SaaS to scale and soar. We are here to help. See you into the next video. Bye bye.